Hey, what's up? Jersey Nick Moto here, and this is my first moto vlog. So, yes, let's see where this goes. So I put my new camera and the microphone on the helmet the other day, and I took it out for a test run just to check my audio, because it seems like everybody that starts doing this always has audio issues. So I was actually pleasantly surprised. I mean, it wasn't perfect, but you could hear it. And I hope I get the same results today. I hope the mic's still in the same spot, didn't move. Well, actually, I found out two things when I tested my audio. I mean, I was pleasantly surprised that you could hear me, and then I was a little horrified because apparently I sound like a cross between Joe Pesci and Ray Romano. You could probably tell from the accent already that I'm from New Jersey, North Jersey to be exact. I grew up in Hudson County, moved down here to Middlesex a couple years ago, but yeah, it's kind of interesting when I ride across the country and, you know, you stop in these little towns. I usually get the, honey, where are you from? You talk funny. So yeah, this is New Jersey. I had this YouTube channel for quite a while now. I think from around 2011. And so you might be wondering, well, why do moto vlogs? You know, I mean, I used to use it for when I went away, did our road trips. I would put a video up with music. So we're going to talk about why I decided to do a moto vlog. And but I'll spare you the boredom of the New Jersey Turnpike, and I'll get back to you when we get someplace a little more scenic. Alright, so there's a little better scenery for you. I figured I'd take you down Route 539. This isn't a bad road. Try and show you that New Jersey isn't all chemical plants and the Sopranos. Alright, so why do a moto vlog? So like I said, I started the channel back somewhere around 2011, back when I caught the motorcycle travel bug, and I'll talk about that in other videos. So I got my first GoPro, and also back then I just changed the name of the channel recently. It was just my full name. It was Nick, and then this big Italian last name with a bunch of vowels that don't belong next to each other. And I'm thinking, well, you know, if people do see my channel and maybe they didn't subscribe yet and they want to find it again, they're never going to know how to type that friggin' name in or remember it or know how to say it. So I changed it to Jersey Nick Moto. So back in the day, it would just be road trips, you know. My buddy and I would do 1 or 2 trips a year, usually a big one and maybe a weekend trip or two. Come back, I'd put some footage together, throw a song on it, and put it out there, and I enjoyed it. I liked making the videos, and they were received pretty well. I mean, there's a couple of them I got a bunch of views on, but I was only putting out like 1 or 2 videos a year. Then after that, what I would do is I would do a video if we rode to an event. Like I did a couple videos when I rode down to Trog, which if you don't know what Trog is, it's the race of gentlemen. It's drag races on the beach they hold every year in New Jersey. It's a pretty cool event. If you don't know about it, look it up, or I'll drop a link in the description. So I started doing that. So then I would put out maybe 4 or 5 videos a year, and I really like making them, and I do ride a lot. Well, I think I ride a lot. I think for living in the Northeast, I ride a lot. I mean, I would ride more if I could take it to work. I don't take it to work because I work down in this industrial section that's it's riddled with potholes, and it's next to a couple scrap yards. So I'd be getting new tires every month if I took it to work. But I think I ride a lot, and I like making the videos. So I said, well, maybe there's something else I could do, because what I've been doing recently is I've been doing videos more of my local rides, and I would, you know, do a ride here or there, put music to it, and that was cool. But it was getting kind of redundant, and even like when I would look back at the channel and watch some of the videos, I was starting to get bored. So I'm thinking, if I'm getting bored, then the people that are subscribed to my channel, they're probably getting bored too. So what could I throw in there now and then to mix things up? So I always followed a few motovloggers on YouTube, and it was mostly the bigger guys like Blockhead and Shade Tree Surgeon and John Maxwell. And I was thinking, it doesn't seem like there was any small guys just starting out, or some, you know, guys just doing it for the fun of it. I mean, these guys I was watching already had a bunch of subscribers, like in the thousands and stuff like that. I said, there's got to be some other people doing this. So one day, as I'm on YouTube, and on the side where it has videos recommended for you, I came across this guy named Diggin' a Hound, and he recently changed the name of his channel. I believe he's Dig Life now. So I came across this guy Dig, and I watched some of his videos, and they were pretty good. They were funny, and it looked like he was just having a good time doing what he was doing. He didn't have many subscribers, but he was putting a lot of stuff out there, and it was cool. So I came across this video that he made that was called #support, and that led me back to this YouTuber called Dirty Deez. And Dirty Deez, he's another one out of Texas, just like Dig. I think they're both from the San Antonio area. And what Dirty Deez did is he started this #support movement on YouTube. It's basically where he encouraged up-and-coming YouTubers, motovloggers, people with motorcycle content, pretty much anybody, I think, to make a #support video. And then he encouraged other people to, it was a video describing, you know, what worked for you and what didn't work for you becoming a YouTuber. And he encouraged other people to comment on the video with #support, and that led you to find other up-and-comers, and you could check out their channels, and it just kind of went on and on and on. It was this pretty cool movement. So I decided, all right, well, let me make a #support video. And at the time, like, I wasn't a motovlogger. I had no audio equipment, anything. So basically what I did is I spliced together some footage from some of my old road trips. I put that together, and I basically just did a voiceover talking into my laptop about #support. And it actually got me quite a bit of new subscribers, and they welcomed me to the community, even though I wasn't a motovlogger. I mean, yeah, I was putting out motorcycle content, but it was pretty cool. And, you know, big thank you to Dirty Deez for starting that, because that's really what got me into thinking about doing my first motovlog. And then through that, I found a bunch of other guys that were just starting out that I watch a lot now, and I'm gonna name some names, and I'm probably gonna forget a lot, or I'm probably gonna fuck your name up, but I mean, besides Dirty Deez, Dig Life, I came across JT Southernfried. I like his stuff a lot. He's down in Virginia, and I love seeing where he rides, because I like that part of the country a lot. I've done many trips on my bike down to Skyline Drive, so that always brings back memories of that when I watch his stuff, that area down there. There's the dude down in Nashville, and I'm probably going to fuck your name up, I apologize. I believe it's Trip HP Junkie. I like watching his stuff because I love Nashville, and, you know, just seeing that part of the country, you know, it helps me get through the times when we have the shitty weather here. So I watch him a lot. I just came across PA Bearded Biker, Stevie TV, Guvna 947. I think he's down in Australia. And there's a bunch of other guys that I watch, but the ones I mentioned, I'll throw links down in the description, so in case you haven't checked them out, you can check them out, see what they're all about. I think they're really good. I was thinking about buying another GoPro for a while now, so I figured, fuck it, might as well buy the whole setup. And I put it on my helmet. Here we are on this lovely Saturday afternoon in New Jersey. But it's really nice out today. I mean, 52 degrees on the last Saturday in December. You can't ask for better than that in the Northeast. It's supposed to be good weather New Year's Day too. I'm supposed to do a New Year's ride, so I'm looking forward to that. So I come down this road a lot when I just want to head south and get away for a little bit. I mean, Usually I come down here on a Sunday morning and there's nobody on the road at all. I got a couple horses out today. So I figured pretty much what I'm going to do with the channel is I'm not going to stop making the videos with the music in them. I'm definitely going to do that for the road trips and some events here and there. You know what the problem with that is too? I was starting to run into a lot of copyright shit. Even like if you go back and watch some of my old road trip videos, I know like the Colorado trip and one of the Skyline Drive trips, I had to mute some of the music because they were starting to get banned. So now instead of the music, every once in a while you get to hear my annoying voice. This road here, this is probably one of my favorite roads to ride down. If you go back in my videos, this road is on a lot of them. It's just this nice little stretch with a bunch of horse farms. So yeah, I'm hoping I get a couple more rides in before the weather gets shitty. I mean, you never know around here this time of year. 50 degrees in December, we don't get that a lot. Alright, which way do we feel like going today? I guess I'll go straight. Make a left down there, there's a cool little park, but we'll go straight today. I really got no destination in mind today. I just wanted to ride, take advantage of the weather. Get away from the hustle and bustle a little bit. That's hard to do in this state. I'm actually surprised I haven't seen a lot of bikes out today. I mean, especially down here. Oh, look, there's two. Alright guys, I guess this is it for this one. I'm just going to head on down the road, take advantage of this beautiful Saturday afternoon. Probably stop at Wawa up here. I hope you liked my first moto vlog. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Keep your head on the swivel out there. Later.